Hello, hello, hello. Make love shout out. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Teacher Marifi TV. Make love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of these channels, especially to my students and their parents. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell button to get the notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. This square, our lesson for today is about square of binomials. This is week 6, day 1 of the second quarter. Okay, this square of binomial has a pattern. Okay, so we have this pattern, quantity AB square, no? So quantity AB square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus BA square. Or pag negative naman tayo, quantity A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. In words, the square of a binomial is the square of the first term plus or minus twice the product of the two terms plus the square of the last term. For example, quantity A plus 3 square is equals to, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, inulit natin, A plus 3 plus times quantity A plus 3. So first square the first term plus, and then 2, write the 2 there, and then A times 3 plus 3 square. So, therefore, A square plus 6A plus 9. No? So, next, number 2. 2A or 2x plus 5 or quantity 2x plus 5 square is equals to 2x plus 5 times quantity 2x plus 5 is equals to, okay, so square natin yung 2x. So 2x squared, that is 4x, plus 2 times 2x plus times 5, that is 20, because 2 times 2 is 4 times 5, 20x. And then 5 square means 5 times 5, that is 25. Okay, next. Okay, so let's take some examples. So find the products of number 1, quantity y minus 4 square is equals to, okay, we have, so let's square the first term, that's y square, and then 2 copy y times 4, and then plus square the last term, it's 4 squared. So the final answer is y squared. 2 times 4 is 8 times y, 8y plus 16. So this is the final answer. Then in 3a minus 5, or quantity 3a minus 5 square, so we have square the first term and then multiply 3a times 5 times 2 and then square the last term. So we have 9a squared because 3 times 3 equals 9. And then 3 times 5, 15 times 2, 30. Then 5 squared is 25. So the final answer is 9a squared minus 30a plus 25. Then we have quantity 4x minus 2y squared. So square the first term, which is 4x squared minus 2 times 4x times 2y plus 2y square. Okay? So 4x squared times 4x squared is 16x squared. Or 4x times 4x, 16x squared. And then 2 times 4 equals 8 times 2, 16xy. Alright, then 2 times 2y times 2y is 4y squared. That's why our final answer is 16x squared minus 16xy plus 4y squared. Alright, so find the product of the following. Okay, so we have quantity m plus 3 square. So using the formula or the pattern, so we have square the first term. Nginig na naman ang kamay ko. Okay. Square the first term, so we have m square plus 2 times m times 3, then square the last term, so we have m square plus 3 times 2 is 6, m plus 9. Okay. Then, number 2, 7 minus k quantity. Okay, so for the second, we have square natin yung m square minus 2 or negative 2, and then times 7 times k plus k squared equals 7 times 7 is 49 minus 14k plus k square. Okay, so that is our final answer. Next here, we have 4x. Square natin yung 4x. Minus 2 times 4x. Guys, remember the pattern. Times 5y plus 5y. Alright. So we have 4x squared is 16 x squared. So because 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 2 times 4 is 8 times 5, 40. So 40 xy plus 5y times 5y is 25 y squared. Okay, so this is our final answer. Next, we have 8 over 5 b and then square plus 2 times 8 over 5 b times 10 e plus 10 e. Right. Ay, wala naman yung kamay ko. 10 a square. Okay. Next, so we have 8 times 8 is 64. 25 times 5 is 25. So then b square plus 2 times 8, 16 times 10. 16 times 10 is 160. So 16 times 10 is 160. So 160 b over 5 plus 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, nawala si A dito, but may A yan, A square. Okay, yan na po yung final answer. Right, next. So again, so we have number 5. Okay, square again the first term, so we have A square minus 2 times A times 3 plus 3 square. So we have A square minus 6A plus 9. Next, B square plus 2 times B times 5. Then square the 5 square. Yeah, tama. Square the last term, which is 5 square. So we have B square plus 2 times 5 is 10. Well, looking me. Okay, 10 plus 5 times 5 is 25. Alright, that's it. Next. C minus 1. Okay, so close enough. Quantity C minus 1 square. So we have C square. No, diretsohin natin. Tignan natin kung tama ang sagot. 1 times C is C times 2, 2C. Plus 1. Ganun lang kadali. Next, ito. C square times C square, C raised to 4. Plus 10 times C square or 10D times C square is this, that is 10 C square D times 2, 20 C square D. Guys, pagkabisado nyo na yung pattern, madali na lang. 10D times 10D is 100 D square. Okay. Yan. Ganyan na kadali. No? Okay. So, for questions and clarifications, write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Alright, remember to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Like, leave a comment, subscribe, please help this channel grow. Alright, thanks for watching. And before anything else, thank you very much and make a love shout out. I would like to thank the members of these channels, Teacher Fe channel, Arlita Garden, and Ilma Abayan, thank you so much. Big love shout out sa inyo and to all my super chatter, Chubby Peggy and Arlita Garden also. See you again. You too can help this grow. Please be one of the member and be our super chat. Support the advocacy. Now, for more information, visit my light. Okay? Thank you so much.